Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the invalid token error on Discord. Now, this usually happens when you log in or when you are verifying your account, but the fix is often very simple. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the fix. The most common reason for this error is simply a typo or a mismatch between what you typed and what the system expects. Now, for example, if you are entering a 2FA code or a verification token, stop and take a look at your Authenticator app again. Ensure the code is entered 100% accurately, because often codes refresh every 30 seconds, so if you were a bit slow, the code might have expired. So wait for a new one to try again immediately. Now, sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all, meaning if the Discord servers are having trouble, they might reject valid tokens as well. So to check that, all you have to do is simply go to your Google Chrome browser. And in your browser, just simply search for Discord status, then hit Enter and open the first option right over here. Now check the official page and see if there are any types of outages, and if the system is down, you just have to wait for them to fix it, because until then, you will still receive the invalid token error. Now, if the code is right and the servers are up, your app might be glitching or outdated. So first, go to your App Store or check Discord on your computer, and just simply check if there are any types of pending updates or not. And if there are, just simply update to the latest version. And if that also doesn't work, just simply uninstall the Discord application completely and reinstall it. Again, this clears out old, corrupted temporary data that might be causing the token error on your end. So that's it. You now know the steps to troubleshoot and fix the invalid token error on your Discord. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.